This is the voiceover for the MCQ in Acoustics series. Included topic in the Communications Engineering ECE Board Exam. A PinoyBIX MCQ, quiz, and reviewers. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell button to be always updated to my new video. Thank you in advance. 126. If the distance between the listener and the source of the sound is doubled, the intensity is reduced to A 1/2, B 1/3, C 2/3, D 1/4. Answer, D 1/4. 127. Positioning a loudspeaker near a wall can dramatically alter its frequency response in two distinct ways, namely A. Gump and dump, B. Hump and notch, C. Fade and gone, D. Bad and worst. Answer, B. Hump and notch. 128. An effect that occurs in the ear where a louder sound can reduce or even stop the nerve voltage generated by a weaker sound. A. Piezoelectric effect, B. Doppler effect, C. Haas effect, D. Masking. Answer, D. Masking. 129. When the average absorption is greater than 0.2, blank formula is used to compute the actual reverberation time. A. Sabine, B. Stephen and Babe, C. Norris A. Ring, D. Notch. Answer, C. Norris A. Ring. 130. The minimum sound intensity that can be heard. A. Threshold of feeling, B. Threshold of pain, C. Threshold of sensation, D. Threshold of hearing. Answer, D. Threshold of hearing. 131. The blank of a sound is a subjective effect which is a function of the ear and brain. A. Pitch, B. Frequency, C. Timbre, D. Loudness. Answer, D. Loudness. 132. A term which is subjective but independent mainly on frequency and also affected by intensity. A. Pitch, B. Frequency, C. Timbre, D. Loudness. Answer, A. Pitch. 133. A sound of 18 kHz frequency has a wavelength of A. 18.3 mm, B. 183 mm, C. 250 mL, D. 1.86 mL. Answer, A. 18.3 mm. 134. At a sensation level of 40 dB 1000 Hz tone is A. 1000 mL, B. 10,000 mL, C. 250 mL, D. 800 mL. Answer, A. 1000 mL. 135. What is the velocity of sound in dry air for a temperature change of 45 degrees Celsius? A. 249.19 meter per second, B. 331.45 meter per second, C. 357.73 meter per second, D. 358.77 meter per second. Answer, C. 357.73 meter per second. 136. What is the resonant frequency of a Helmholtz resonator whose volume is 2.5 cubic meter with neck radius of 8 centimeters? A. 13 Hz, B. 11 Hz, C. 15 Hz, D. 14 Hz. Answer, A. 13 Hz. 137. 40 fons is equivalent to how many sones? A. 0 sone, B. 1 sone, C 0.5 zone. D 16 zones. Answer, B 1 zone. 138 80 fons plus 80 fons equal A 83 fons, B 160 fons, C 90 fons, D 86 fons. Answer, C 90 fons. 139 An early reflection of sound. A echo, B reverberation, C pure sound, D jitter. Answer, A echo. 140 An instrument designed to measure a frequency-weighted value of the sound pressure level. A sound level meter, B transducer, C sound pressure meter, D sound analyzer. Answer, A sound level meter. 141 The term used for the deafness of higher frequencies due to old age. A ear deafness, B cortical deafness, C tinnitus, D presbycusis. Answer, D presbycusis. 142 What is the dB/SPL of an auditorium with contemporary music? A 95 to 100 dB, B 40 to 50 dB, C 50 to 60 dB, D 70 to 80 dB. Answer, A 95 to 100 dB. 143 What principle is used by a carbon-type microphone? A variable capacitance, B variable resistance, C variable inductance, D piezoelectric effect. Answer, B variable resistance. 144 Pressure is measured in term of Pascal, microbar or A newtons, B newtons per meter, C newtons per meter squared, D Pascal per meter squared. Answer, C newtons per meter squared. 145 How much power can a human voice possible produce? A 100 milliwatts, B 1 watt, C 10 watts, D 1 milliwatt. Answer, D 1 milliwatt. 146 What is the increase in sound pressure level if the pressure is doubled? A increase by 6 dB, B increase by 3 dB, C decrease by 6 dB, D decrease by 3 dB. Answer, A increase by 6 dB. 147 The frequency limits of audio frequency is A 300 to 3000 Hz, B 20 Hz to 20 kHz, C 3 to 3 kHz, D 40 to 40 kHz. Answer, B 20 Hz to 20 kHz. 148 A device that converts sound pressure into electrical energy. A microphone, B headphone, C headset, D speaker. Answer, A microphone. 149 An agreed set of empirical curves relating octave band sound pressure level to the center frequency of the octave bands. A C message weighting curve, B cephalometric curve, C noise rating curve, D F1A weighting curves. Answer, C noise rating curve. 150 Pure tone of sound used as standard on testing. A 1 kHz, B 300 to 3400 Hz, C 100 Hz, D 800 Hz. Answer, A 1 kHz.